Hello and welcome to another update video about ONDO. Yeah, the ONDO chart is currently still holding our yellow wave count support area. Main support ends at 71 cents. I always encourage people to watch for what is actually reliable on the chart. What is reliable and the reliable support, or at least stable. What's the stable element? Okay, because what is reliable? I mean, it's what is somewhat stable, and that is the support area here, which is supporting the idea that we are dealing with a third wave to the upside in a larger diagonal pattern. This is not a really reliable long-term chart because the chart history is very limited, but the ONDO chart has been in an uptrend. We have an initial 1-2 setup, and this is also the invalidation point, the low of wave 2 at 58.2 cents. Would I be surprised if it breaks? No, absolutely not. Not with a short and limited chart history as we have here, because wave counts with such a speculative history are not flexible, they are speculative actually, but we can still use the method Elliott wave to track some structures, to identify levels for risk management as well as possible turning point areas. And yeah, we have an initial 1-2 setup where the wave 2 was really shallow, so again that might cost it a little bit of reliability. However, we could then say that the next move up is a third wave. We have a 3-wave move up in wave A. This here is a B wave pullback. We had a couple of reactions here to the 50% retracement level already at 92.7 cents. We're still below the trend line, so we don't have a confirmation yet that the move up has started. Also, the last rally that occurred here from the swing low on the 7th of July, that was only a 3-wave move up. So we don't really have clear confirmation that we've bottomed in the yellow support region, and one more low seems likely in wave C, of Y, of B. Okay. Actually, I might need to change the wave degree here to make it a little bit clearer. Because don't know, it doesn't change the wave degree of this. Why? Okay, got it. Yeah. So yeah, because my interpretation here is that in the yellow wave count, we're in a B wave pullback. That's wave B of the larger third wave. And this B wave seems to be a WXY structure where we had wave W to the downside in 3 waves. A, B, C in wave W. The X wave was a triangle. The Y wave is unfolding right now. Could even be that, could be that the entire B wave finished here, yeah, on the 7th of July. But the problem is the rally was only a 3-wave move. So I cannot clearly give the bulls the preference here yet without further evidence. That is a possibility. I've added that to the chart in white. Okay, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, holding a higher low. Touch the 50% fib level again, and we're going up. If we now break above the trend line, this is what it might be doing. It might break out, but then the wave 1 was a 3-wave move, which indicates the entire C wave. So this 5-wave move in white would indicate how the C wave is looking like. The problem is if wave 1 is a 3-wave move, the entire thing might be a diagonal. Too early to confirm. The yellow box is what really matters. We can then discuss about, okay, what is currently more likely. For me, another low, just because the yellow count seems in control, given that the rally was only in 3 waves, which looks like a B wave. Yeah? So, but the white count has a chance. It just needs to prove itself. That's how I see it. And the invalidation point for the white scenario is the low of white wave 2. And if you want to trade that, a stop would have to be below that level, 91.5 cents. Yeah. But it takes a break above the trend line as well to confirm it further, followed by a break above the white wave 1 high at $1.13, and then we need to take it from there. But for me, the yellow count, not the yellow count, the yellow support region is really what matters. Whether we've bottomed already or whether it might form another low, only the market will decide that. Really, the yellow support region is the stable element on the chart, which is providing some support, and where a reversal should happen if the market is bullish. And it's currently the thesis it is, yeah. So that's the update about ONDO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.